So in the pan, we're gonna add in some sweet chili sauce. Sweet chili sauce here. This is the Mayploy. If you guys were curious. 1/4 of a cup of peanut butter, creamy style. If you guys want chunky, go for it. I'm gonna add some water. Turn this on. Fish sauce as well. Stir this up. So we're just gonna heat this up until the peanut butter is nice and dissolved and creamed in there, and then we're just gonna take it off the heat. You don't have to let it boil. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna take it off the heat. All right, we're gonna transfer the sauce into a bowl. Some lime juice for some acid. Cilantro and green onion in there. And then we'll stir it up. Just adding some ground peanuts in here, just for texture. Stir it up. Okay, we'll set that aside and let's do the rolls. Alright, so I'm gonna get a rice paper, flat surface. I already wet this rice paper here. Place it here. You don't need to wet it so much, just because the more you leave it on, the more it's gonna soak up and get softer. So that's first. And then we're gonna have some leaf lettuce here. You guys can put as much as you want. Just don't overfill it or else it's gonna be harder to roll. And I like to use the bigger rice paper just because I have a lot more to work with. And it tends to not break on me if I tend to overfill it. Alright, now I have some vermicelli noodles that I'm gonna place in here. And then your favorite herbs and vegetables. So I'm going to add in some basil, some mint, some cilantro, some carrots, and some shredded purple cabbage. You guys can put cucumbers, you guys can put bean sprouts, you guys can go crazy. So this is all the vegetables I'm gonna add today. And the Hmong sausage. The Hmong sausage here, I cut it pretty thin. So you guys can use a really sharp knife and cut it on a bias and cut it long ways and thinner. So I'm gonna place it up here. Maybe I'll do it sideways. Sausage in general is pretty fatty. I like to cut this thin so it's easier to eat. Okay, and then when you're finished, the rice paper should already be soaked. I'm gonna start with the edges first here. Like a burrito, and then from the bottom. And then as you go, squeeze as you go, tighter so you can have a nice and tight roll. And finish it off. And there you have it. Pretty nice. Cool. And just keep doing that until you're all done. Super easy.